2005 Chevy Avalanche LT. This one has a 5.3 liter Vortec, pewter in color. It's got the chrome running boards, chrome door handles. This one does not have the body cladding. Has a trailer tow package. Has a hard tonneau cover, removable back glass, aluminum wheels. Very sharp looking truck. Has most options available. It has the fog lights, tow hooks, fender flares. There's no hail on the vehicle. The body is very straight on this clean titled Avalanche with Bridgestone Dueler tires, matching set all the way around. This one has the leather bucket seats with the factory moonroof, wood trim accents, Bose sound system, no rust, spacious back seat. This is the back glass that removes. There's a storage space behind the seats. Rear audio controls, very clean upholstery. This is the hard tonneau cover. The other side is just as clean. Let's take you guys out for a quick test ride. This truck only has 107,000 miles. This one's got the dual zone climate control. This is for the passenger and the driver. Air conditioning blows cold. We got traction control here. This is the Bose N-Dash 6-disc sound system. It sounds really good. Overhead you have a factory moonroof. That's a one-touch. That works great. You have throughout the vehicle this wood trim accent on that side as well. Vehicle idles right where it's supposed to. There's no misfire, no hesitation. Transmission goes from gear to gear without any delays or hard kicks. Both front windows are power one touch down. Overhead compass with a outside temperature gauge. As we're dealing with the traffic, here's another Avalanche that we have. That one's got the body cladding. That's an 03. That was a one owner vehicle. Check the transmission first. Where are our seatbelts here? As you see, the transmission shifts correctly. The vehicle drives straight. There's no alignment issues. It's actually a very smooth ride. There's no pulsation with the brakes. All the signals and the gauges work correctly. Power steering is very smooth. Windshield wipers work. Has a very nice turning radius. As you look throughout the vehicle, you can tell that it was well maintained by the previous owner. It has a tow off and on located here. If you have any questions about this Avalanche, feel free to give us a call at Ride Auto. We're located on Highway 13, directly across from Burnsville Menards, right next door to McDonald's. We always have a great selection of trucks for you to choose from. Give us a call with any questions you may have. Thank you.